Amid the controversy over the timing of the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI's fact-finding investigation into the Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee or FISGOC, NBI Director Melvin Matibag strongly denied allegations that the agency is using the probe to intimidate several senator judges. Kai Villan reports.
As always, ang message natin, no one is above the law.
Amid allegations that the ongoing investigation is supposedly being used to intimidate or influence several senator judges, National Bureau of Investigation Director Melvin Matibag maintained that the agency is merely performing its mandate. This comes after Senator Alan Peter Cayetano stated that the timing of the NBI's investigation could create a chilling effect on the senator judges.
Wala tayong pananakot dito. I mean, all of you here, if we are doing our mandate, nagsasakit tayo ng investigasyon, nagsabi pala na mag-iimbestiga, bakit naman ang reaksyon mo kagad nananakot ka? At para hindi matanong na mabibigat ng tanong, tingnan po natin sa Martes. Lahat ng gusto nilang itanong, sa abot na aking makakaya, ay atin pong sasagutin yan.
Matibag also emphasized that he will face the Senate as a witness for both the prosecution and the defense. He added that he will only present the NBI's findings regarding the matters covered by his testimony.
Kung wala kang kasalanan, bakit ka matatakot? Parang yung sinabi po din nila Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, kung wala namang namatay, edi wala palang krimen. Kung wala palang ginawang pangungurakot, hindi ka dapat matakot. Dahil natakot ka lang kung meron kang dapat itago.
Meanwhile, Matibag said the NBI may still summon Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon to shed light on the ongoing fact-finding investigation regarding FISGOC. He also clarified that serving a subpoena does not mean a person is already considered a suspect.
Ngayon, kung kinakailangan ipatawag si Secretary Vince Dizon, bakit? Dahil magbibigay linaw siya doon sa ating inimbestigahan. Kahit hindi si Secretary Vince Dizon na makakapagbigay ng liwanag, ating tatawagin. Pag nagpadala po tayo ng subpoena, hindi ibig sabihin, suspect ka na kaagad Baka hinihingi ng NBI ang tulong mo para magkaroon ng kaliwanagan sa isang usapin.
To recall, one of the issues raised on the sixth day of the impeachment trial was the NBI's fact-finding investigation into the Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee or FISGOC. This is being investigated in connection with alleged unliquidated funds and the lack of public bidding for the sports complex used in the 2019 Southeast Asian Games. Reporting for News and World, Kai Villan, SMNI News.